What's going on, guys? Jay that Drain Guy. We're in a men's bathroom. This is actually a motor Speedway in Cayuga. Yeah, so just interesting. Never been here before, but we got like a little, I don't know, motor Speedway type of thing. But anyway, they clearly have a urinal backed up. So I'm gonna remove the P-trap and it's probably just gonna be full of calcium, but this spud is probably gonna come off. We're gonna replace that. We'll replace the nut and the tail piece because that's all gonna be probably not gonna go on properly and the spud's probably gonna come off. It may not, we might get lucky. But I doubt it. So let's get set up and take care of this. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. We just reached 20,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys for that. Spotlight. So today we got the Milwaukee M12 with a 5/16 cable, and it's got the bulb head on it, and it is not the drop head. If I would have broken my head off, I could have actually went straight down and snaked it that way. So you can see no water's coming out. Come on. So no water's coming out there, so that means it's going to be built up inside here. Well, we might have got lucky with the spud not leaking. Just a lot of junk. So let's scrape it out. That's the good thing about ABS or any plastic really. You can scrape it and it's not really gonna break up. The pipe itself, I do mean. How you doing, sir?
Morning. Good, you?
Not too bad.
Lovely, good job, thank you.
Yeah, a lot of buildup in there. But we get it fixed up for you.
Awesome, man. So you do a lot of them then, right?
I deal with just drains, but yeah, I deal with a lot of this kind of stuff.
Okay, not perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can open the oven one as well, right?
I don't need it in there. Do you have any issues in there? Like drain issues?
I don't think so.
'Cause I-
Just go and check maybe.
Yeah, we can definitely take a look.
We just can open them the first time for this week.
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, no problem. I can take a look in there as well just to make sure. All right, there you go. Now let's see if we can put this back together.
Yeah, I will probably have a quick look as well at the showers.
Okay, I'll take a look at the
On
showers.
both sides because it's
Is there showers on here? Is that?
over there and you can see they have the rake out there.
All right. So, I just found out that was the owner of the place. Very nice man. Let's change out that. Ooh, I don't know if this one's actually gonna fit. No, it's not gonna fit. So, I don't have any more of these on me, but we will. I'm just washing it up right now. We'll test it. If it's not leaking, we'll say it's good. If it leaks, we'll That's that is cracked. Yeah, it's gonna leak. So, yeah, you can see it dripping there. Right, so I'm just going to show you guys where all these drains run. So just behind the men's washroom here. I've never seen something like this, and I think it's amazing that they did it like this. They have access cleanouts for everything. Every single urinal, right? This is the urinal we were working on right here. And there's one more back there. But I love it. I think it's awesome. So this is where we're gonna leave it. I'm gonna talk to the plumber that called me in to see, I don't know if he's coming back or not. If he's coming back, and he will change out that spud and that tail piece and that nut. If he's not, then I'll change it and it will be at the end of this clip. But yeah, so I wanna thank you guys for watching, and until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.